up, good people? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. I want to say thank you to everyone subscribing to the channel, viewing my videos. If you have not subscribed, then what are you waiting for? 3, 2, 1, go subscribe. Now let's get into it. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we're going to be going over my sticky note wall. Right now, I took all my sticky notes off that I did for 2022. And we're going to go through some of them, and I'm going to explain to you why I do this, how I do this, and how you can do it as well. So I write down goals for the year, things that I'm working on within myself, tasks that need to be done so I don't forget it, so I can see it every single day when I wake up, during the day, whatever the case may be. When I walk in, I see the wall. I got my calendar on that side, which you guys see a lot of. But this side is empty because I've taken down my sticky notes. And we're going to read some of my sticky notes. Not going to read all of them. So, like, this one is like daily content. It says Patreon, cooking shows, recipes, junior vibes, reels. As you know, I try to push out daily content. The cooking show and junior vibes is all on YouTube. Reels is on my Instagram. I do Facebook reels, all that good stuff. Patreon, I've not got the Patreon yet, but I'm coming. I wanted to branch out in 2022 to do more daycare and preschool classes. I'm still working on this goal. I do want to add more to my list. It's something I'm still working on. Contracts. I signed 2 contracts in 2022 that have started in 2023. So I'm extremely excited about that. Also, I do just jot down ideas for different class ideas. This one says email somebody. Just basically anything that comes to mind that I need to see. Okay. 2022, no regrets. And I dropped the ball on this one, y'all. There was an opportunity that I completely just let slip away from me. It was right there in my face. I didn't take the opportunity, and I do regret it. Something I regret probably for a while now that I should have done, but I didn't, and I will never let that happen again. Oftentimes we tend to put other people's needs before ourselves, and you got to look out for you. You got to look out for you first, okay? So I'm still going to work on this. That's going to be another one that I'm going to add to my 2023. No regrets. Put you first. Improve my online classes. I didn't really focus on online classes last year. I did some lives and things like that. We did a family fun night. I want to bring that back eventually, but Zoom and all this stuff, I haven't really done that. But this option is always available for those that are not in my area. Online classes is a great way to go. Networking. This one is networking in 2022. 2022 networking was amazing, y'all. I did my thing with networking. And I want to continue to do that in 2023. Continue to meet people, continue to grow, continue to spread the word about what Food Vibes is doing. Even if you don't book a class, at least tell you what I'm doing, and maybe you can refer me to someone else or can refer someone to me. Okay. And then we got the next one, Family Dixon Family Scholarship. As many of you guys have seen, Chef Chris on here cooking. I started a scholarship in honor of him, to be able to give out free cooking classes for people with disabilities. And because I know a lot of their families say, we don't have enough, we would love for our child to do something like this, but we don't have enough money. So I created a scholarship to do that. We did raise some money last year, but it wasn't enough to really do what I want to do. Okay. So we're back again. This year, the goal is even higher than it was last year. I want to raise $5,000 to provide free cooking classes to our friends with disabilities. I'm going to need you guys' help. I really, really appreciate you in sharing my posts, videos to get the word out about Food Vibes. We had a 5K walk last year, and that was pretty dope. This year, we're going to be doing another 5K walk for autism. It's going to be different because I want to spread it across the nation. So stay tuned for details. Food Vibes will be bigger than ever. Last year, we turned 2 years old, and within a month and 6 days, we'll be turning 3 years old. So we're really excited about that. So I'm not going to go into any more of these because it's a lot of these. Now we're about to get into me doing my goals. All right, y'all. So now we're at the desk. Always got my candle on. This is my essential oils. I need to put some water in this so I can light it up and it smells good. But First one, no regrets 2023 is going on my sticky notes. I already wrote it. No regrets 2023, okay? And that should go for you too. For right now, I'm just going to place them right here. Nah, I'll stick them on the wall in a second. Next is networking. Oops. One thing about this, you just keep on going. Networking 2023. Partnerships. What else we gonna do? Partnerships, networking, more group classes. For those of you who do not know, I partner with a nonprofit organization, so now I have a space to host my in-person classes. That one failed. My group in-person classes. So I'm going to work on more group classes. More group classes. Kids. Adults. Couples. Okay? So, more group classes. What else we going to work on this year? Discipline. Being disciplined. That's something that I'm working on right now. Being disciplined. All right. What else? What else? Being disciplined. Creating, well, that goes on being disciplined. Habits, routines, all that good stuff. What else? Let's see. I just flip it that way. What else we gonna do this year? Oh, family fun day. A second family fun day. These are like my big events for the year. We have a special project I'm working on. I can't tell you what it is just yet. The walk with me. I'll explain what we're gonna do with that soon. So those are like my big events for this year. Let's see what else. Community outreach. More community stuff. Community outreach. Continue to build, grow on YouTube. Facebook. IG. Do better with collecting people's informations. Newsletters, phone numbers, emails, all that stuff. All right. I think that's all I'm gonna do for now at the top of my head, but I'm gonna show you a little clip of me finishing the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can do this as well. Sticky notes, take them, put them in your bathroom, wherever you choose to put them at. They will help you along the way, help you reach your goals, help you stay consistent, give you daily reminders. Because on this I'm gonna put, I am brave. Affirmations. I am smart. I am powerful. So put your daily affirmations on there as well. I am, let's see, resilient. I am, whatever the case may be. Whatever you choose to do, you can put that on there. Something that you can say to yourself every single day. I'm beautiful. I'm courageous. I'm kind. All that good stuff to help you throughout the day. So that's all I'm gonna do for right now. That you're gonna see. I'm probably put a time lapse of me doing the rest. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this gave you something to look forward to, as far as something that you can do. I keep mine up for the year. You can do your goals for the month. You can do it for the week. However you choose to do it, you can put it anywhere that you see fit that's going to help benefit you. With that being said, my name is Monique, and this is the Food Vibes Way. I hope we added some value to your day. And make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, because you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing, and I want to continue to push out this amazing content for you, y'all. So, y'all go ahead and have a good day, and I'll see you next time. As you can see, I'm finishing up my sticky notes. It takes a little time because you got to think. Only did a few, well, a good 6 or 7, but I'll add more as the year go on. So make sure you do yours. It helps.